I'm gonna start introducing the mom first. Jeneline Alegarbes, I hope I pronounced it right, Alegarbes, a dedicated mother of four and a mompreneur. She is the proud owner of Shadrach.co. She is deeply committed to advocating for breastfeeding, baby wearing, mental support through her initiatives like the Baby Wearing Filipinas Mommy Support Group. Wow! Jenny Lee's faith drives her actions as she strives to serve both her family and her community with love and compassion.
Shania, Shania Jetria T. Algarbes, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong,
Algarbres, yes.
is a 20-year-old nursing student at Far Eastern University, Dr. Nicanor Reyes Medical Foundation. As the eldest daughter among her siblings and cousins, she carries a strong sense of responsibility and leadership. A devout woman of God, Shania also serves as a worship leader in her church, blending her passion for music with her faith.
So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome
Jen
Jen
and
and
Shania.
Shania.
Hello everyone! Hi,
Hello.
I am Shania and here's my mom.
Hi, I'm Jen. Hello,
Yes.
good
Hello, good
afternoon.
afternoon. So, ayun. Honestly, kinakabahan po ako kasi dapat kanina pa kami nandito. Pero, ayun, with some unforeseen events, na-late kami. Pero, I'm so grateful sa Lord talaga na nandito kami ngayon. And thank you so much for the new channel, for this opportunity to honor my mom. So, ayan. So, sinulat ko, Mami, yung gusto kong sabihin sa'yo para hindi ko makalimutan. Okay. So, from the moment that I was born, you've been everything to me. You've been my safe haven. May iyak ako agad na. You've been my safe haven, my guiding light, and my rock. And as I grow older, I realize more and more just how blessed I am to have you in my life. Una-una sa lahat yung pagiging generous mo sa ibang tao. I really admire that. And I aspire to be like that. Like parang yung blessings mo talagang nag-overflow and talagang nagiging channel ka ng blessings para sa ibang tao. Para ma-share mo kung ano yung nare-receive mo from God and ma-share mo yun sa ibang tao. Like parang sa sobrang punong-puno ka ng pagmamahal, binibigay mo yun sa iba. And never ka naging madamot. Kaya that's one thing talaga na gusto kong ipakita na sana pag tumanda pa ako or mas, alam niyo yun, naging professional, makuha ko rin sa'yo yung pagiging generous mo. So you're the kind of mom who puts her heart on her sleeve, who wears her emotions on her sleeve, and who loves unconditionally. You're the kind of mom who shows me what is meant to be vulnerable and to be authentic and maging brave. You're not just an amazing mom, but you're also an incredible role model sa aming magkakapatid. Actually, hindi nga lang sa aming magkakapatid, pero sa mga kapatid mo sa both families. Talagang ikaw yung, kumbaga, nag-set ng standard na parang, na magiging guiding path namin. Kung paano ba maging woman of God, kung paano ba mag-glorify si God sa lahat ng gagawin mo. Napakita mo yun sa akin, bata pa lang ako, on how you serve God. Noon pa lang, nakikita ko yung passion mo to do everything. I mean, sa lahat ng ginagawa mo, may pagmamahal. Ayan. So, you always put our needs above your own. And it's something that I'm so grateful for. You're the kind of mom who makes me feel seen, heard, and loved. Yung kapag may sakit ako, ikaw palagi nandyan. Kahit ang laki-laki ko na, nandun ka sa kama ko, sa bed ko, tatabihan mo ko, yung presence mo lang, okay na ako. Like, yung pag-uwi namin sa bahay, kaya ako, pag-uwi ko sa bahay, lagi kong tanong, asan si mommy? Ganon. Kasi, yung presensya mo pa lang, alam kong safe na ako. Yung presensya mo pa lang, enough na. Like, kahit di tayo nag-uusap, alam ko lang na nasa bahay ka, kahit di tayo nasa isang kwarto, alam kong enough ka. yung presensya mo pa lang. And so what I appreciate most about you is your wisdom. You've taught me so much about life, about faith, and about being a good person. Your words of wisdom have guided me through tough times, and I'm forever grateful for that. You're the kind of mom who shows me what it means to trust in God, to have faith in His plan, and to rely on His strength. You're not just beautiful inside and out, but you're also unique and special. You have a way of making everyone feel loved and appreciated. Yung tipong, kahit suot mo na yung earring, ibibigay mo pa sa iba. Yung para sa'yo na nga lang yung Mother's Day, pero ibang nanay pa yung gusto mong i-honor. Ganun ka-appreciative sa lahat ng tao sa paligid mo. That's why yung blessings talagang nag-overflow. And that's something I really admire about you kasi hindi siya pilit. Like, siya, parang ikaw na yun. So, hindi na matatanggal sa'yo yun. So yes, you're a God-fearing leader who always puts your faith in God. You're strong, courageous, and talented, and you inspire me to be my best self every day. You're the kind of mom who shows me what it means to be brave, to be fearless, and to be bold. Your passion for life is so contagious, and it's something that I admire greatly. You're genuine to the people around you, and that's something that I aspire to be more like. You're the kind of mom who shows me what it means to live with a purpose, with intentionality, and with passion. You are inspiration to all moms out there, not just because of your incredible parenting skills, but also because of your unwavering faith in God. You're a shining example of what it means to be a God-dependent mom. And I'm so grateful to have you in my life. I want to give some emphasis on that kasi iba palaging sinasabi, strong, independent woman ka, yun. Pero from what I see, you have a strong God and you depend on Him. So, yun. And then, most importantly, you show me that love is real. Kaya yung unang-unang nagpakita sa akin na totoo yung pagmamahal in your very simplest way. Na time na parang isinilang ako, pinaramdam mo na yun sa akin. The time na inalagaan mo ako, kahit na ang dami mo pinagdadaanan dati, actually halos kasing edad mo ko nun or mas bata pa. Imagine the pain na naramdaman mo before, or still, you did your best to take care of me, to make me feel loved. And thank you for that, Mom. So, you may be imperfect, but you're the perfect mom for me. So, dahil dyan, I have a song to sing. Actually, it's just a cappella. So, ayan. The title is When God Made You My Mother. Okay. I bet you could have used a minute, just a little time alone. But you let me be your little shadow, following wherever you would go. Then I got a little older, and you gave me space to grow. I don't ever seem to tell you enough, but I want you to know when God made you my mother, He knew who I'd need. When He picked you from the others, He could already see that you would be my safe space, the perfect mom for me. When God made you my mother, He was being good to me. I come to you with all my worries, and you were always been there. And when I'm falling in my weakness, You give me strength to stand back up. No amount of miles could separate us. No place where I don't feel your love. You say I'm the gift that heaven gave you, but mommy, I'm the blessed one. 'Cause when God made you my mother, He knew who I need. When He picked you from the others, He could already see that you would be my safe space, the perfect mom for me. When God made you my mother, He was being good to me. If I'll never be a mother, I wanna be like you. If He picks me from the others, I'm gonna try to fill your shoes. 'Cause mommy, you're my safe space and everything I wanna be. When God made you my mother, He was being good to me. Yeah, He was being good to me. So, the first time na narinig ko tong song na to, naalala ko yung favorite song mo, which is Goodness of God. And kung para sa'yo napakabuti ng Diyos sa buhay mo, para sa akin, yun din sa nararamdaman ko kasi ikaw yung nanay ko. You're really been a role model to me. And I'm really grateful for your life. And, ayun, I hope you, I hope na nagustuhan mo yun.
Na-speechless na ako.
Tapos ito pa ginawan ka namin. Ayan. So, ayan. Ginawan ka namin. Ayan.
Hindi na mauulit. 4 na sila. So, buti na lang meron ng remembrance. Ayan. I'm really emotional kasi actually while on my way, I just realized na si Shania, so sobrang clingy pa. Parang siyang like a grade 1 baby. Ko na-realize kasi yung tipong kahit kulay ng suot ng damit niya, 20 years old na siya, tatanungin niya pa kung ano yung babagay sa kanya. So, she's independent kapag nasa labas siya, pero pag nandiyan na sa bahay, wala siyang ibang hinahanap kundi mommy. So, yeah, I'm really, really proud of the person you are becoming. And one of the things that I really love most about you is your faith to God. Siguro yun na yung nagawa kong mabuti sa pagiging nanay, yung nakilala mo si Lord. And by that, alam mo yun, I have the peace of mind na one day, pag nawala na ako dito sa mundo, mas magiging mabuting nanay ka at mas mailalagay mo sa iyong heart yung love na si Lord lang yung makakapagbigay.
I realize na, I hope na marami ding mga kabataan na alam yun, mapahalagahan din talaga yung mga mothers nila hanggat nandito pa sila sa mundong to. Kasi sometimes parang natitake for granted yung moment na magkasama kayo, natitake for granted na parang andyan naman si mommy, so parang complacent ka na, parang hindi ka na parang hindi ka na mag-spend time with her, hindi mo na sabihin na, I love you, ma, ganyan. Hindi ka na magiging, expressive enough kasi nasanay ka na nandyan siya. Pero, ayun, I hope na, ma-inspire yung iba na to strengthen their relationship with their mom, to really spend time with them hanggat nandyan pa sila.
Actually, malalim yung hugot ko sa pagiging mommy kasi nawalan ako ng nanay ng maaga. So, parang sabi ko nga, nung mga panahon na nandyan pa yung mom ko sa tabi ko, parang hindi ko naibigay yung best. Alam mo yun, yung time, yung ma-express ko how I love her. Hindi ko yun naibigay sa kanya ng the way I want her to be loved. Kaya ngayon na I'm a mom of 4, ang lagi kong sinasabi na ayokong maramdaman yung regrets. As much as possible, ako na lang yung lalapit sa mga anak ko para iparamdam nyo na sa akin habang nandito ako para hindi kayo masasaktan pag one day wala na ako. Kasi ganun yung nararamdaman ko nung nawala yung mom ko na sabi ko kahit nung mga panahon na naghihirap kami na nandyan yung nanay ko, hindi ko ipagpapalit yung any material things in this world na nalasap ko pero wala yung nanay ko. Ipagpapalit ko pa rin yung moment na kahit naghihirap kami pero kasama ko yung nanay ko tsaka nayayakap ko. Kaya as much as possible, ayokong pahirapin yung mga anak ko na one day hindi sila masasaktan pag nawala ako.
And also, Ma, I also want to say this, na I know that you had me early. Siyempre, bata ka pa noon, 19 years old. You need to sacrifice your career na gustong-gusto mo dati pa, your dreams, for a meantime, and focus on us, your kids. Talagang sinet aside mo yung mga dreams mo for us. But please know that now that I'm almost, and actually half your age, I mean, I'm getting older. I'm one of the first witnesses ng paghihirap mo, ng sacrifices mo, not just for me, but for the whole family. Kaya I'm just here to support you sa mga pangarap mo, especially sa business mo, sa Shadrach, at marami pang iba, because you deserve to reach your dreams, Ma. And I want to reach them. I want you to reach them. Ayan.
Thank you.
So, I'm just here to support you along the way, and I love you so much.
I love you too. Thank you.
I love you.